Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update. Today is Tuesday, September 1st. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today we had another sell-off in the market, about 2.5% in the ES, 2.25% in the TF, almost 7% in oil. What a way to start September, huh? Well, what we did, we were pretty active today. I'm going to run through all the trades real quick because we had a lot of them. First trade, we got long, 8:33 Central Standard Time, 1927.50, and that one worked out for about a couple points. Went to entry, and that would have been basically taken out there. Any runners, unless somebody was completely out of the trade, a couple points on that trade. Could have got more, but you'd have had to manage it very loosely, and we don't do that, especially right at the open. Market came up here. I said right here at this dot, I said that we were going to have a ZL. I was hoping it would close up there so we could short up higher. Didn't, when it failed here, I didn't want to short down there. But we did have a short up there we did not take. And then we had an RS at 27, right at the 912 candle, 1927.50, 1927 quarter. Okay, and that one worked out. Went down to 24 quarters. So a couple points. Again, if you went to entry, you would have been taken on this green candle, but not before you got 2.5 points on the trade. Market came back up. Said that we were going to have an understanding trade long at 1934. It did go up to 38 quarter. There was no fill. Okay, UT long, no fill, so we did not get that trade. When the market came back down, I told everybody they can try one time to buy 34. Okay, after the 939 candle. So we bought 34. That produced a point. And then again, depending on how it was managed, it made a point. Depending on how it was managed, it could have been a break even for somebody. If somebody had 4 contracts on, took 3 off at a point, went -1, then they would have still made a little bit of money. Again, it just all depends, but it did make a point. Market came back down. We got short on a power play, 28.50, the first one here. Okay, and then when it came back down a second time, that one worked out for about a point. When it came back down here again, we hit it at 28. That would have made almost 2 points. And again, the market just went sideways there. And then we had an S play, long 1931, 1931.50 on this red candle here. Said it should go up to 4 quarter. If it didn't get past 4 quarter, it was going to have a problem. And that's exactly what it did. It went up to 4 quarter, and that got us a nice 3 to 4 points depending on where, 2.5 to 3.5 points depending on where the person's entry was. Beautiful trade there. When the market came down, we were looking for this power play, short 28, and we just ran out of time. We were sitting here the whole time, told everybody if they wanted to take it, gave everybody the rules. Technically it's not really counted. We had all these winners, it didn't really matter, but we did call this trade, and we closed. It was right after the room was closed, and some people did email me and told me that they got it. That's great, but it was a call trade that was a winner. And I said that this actually could have been really special if it goes down, because we were looking for the lows and it did actually hit that. So you would have had to get in here, and then depending on how you manage it, got back in up here. And again, that was during lunch, so we got enough here. There was plenty more opportunities throughout the day. And we're going to come back and do it again tomorrow, guys. Another whirlwind day. So we'll see you guys back tomorrow.